Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the QA section of the paper. The QA section of the quantitative aptitude section this year around seem to be a little bit on the difficult side, as evident from the question we have seen being put from this year. So the question that we'll be dealing with is a factorial and it's a very interesting question. So let's take a look at the approach involved to solving the same. Okay. So number of values of x less than 30 for which 50 factorial minus x factorial ends in 60 is. So now it says that 50 factorial minus x factorial ends in 6 zeros. Okay, ends in 6 zeros, and basically x is less than 30. Now 6 zeros means a highest power of 5 will be 6. Okay, that is 5 to the power of 6. Now highest power of 5 being 6, let us where do we have the highest power of 5 being 6? So suppose if I take 25, the highest power of 25 factorial, the highest power of 5 in 25 factorial would be 5 is 25, 1. Yes, for 25 factorial the highest power of 5 will be 6. Okay, similarly for 26 factorial it will again be 6. For how 6? Simply see, I show you, hang on. So 25 factorial, so that would mean 20, this would be 5 by 5 again, or 6 by 5, sorry, 5 again 1. Okay, similarly for 27 factorial 5, again we'll have 5 by 5 again 1, 28, 6 factorial, again 5 by 5, 1, again 6. Similarly for 29 factorial by 5, again we have 5 by 5, 1 or 6. Okay, but if we take into account 30 factorial, 30 factorial would be 6 by 5 or 1, that is 7. So 30 factorial onwards we cannot consider this. Okay, so our range of numbers would be from 25 factorial to 29 factorial, that is this 5 numbers, 3, 4, 5. And for this entire figure to end in 60, x must also end in 60. Okay, so x's value will be either 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So therefore 5 values. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So it's a very interesting question regarding the number of trailing zeros, the concept of that. So I hope this thing is clear to you as well. Now, if you have any doubt, just go through the video. I don't think you should have faced much of an issue. Okay. Having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. And also, if you have any doubt with regards to your competitive exam preparation related strategies, or are looking for any subject or topic wise help, please feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. Now, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. Having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.